This is how to remove the center console on a 2009 Nissan Rogue. I'm coming in from the passenger side, and then you're going to want to take a pry tool and pry this out. It's not being held in just by the clips. And then you can move the shifter out of the way to give you more room. And then there will be two Tex bolts right here. Take this one out. This is what they look like. I think it's like a T15. And then take out this one. So you got this popped up. Get them two bolts out, and then this pops up. It might be hard, but it might be, you might have some stuff sticking on there, and it'll just pop up. That's what it looks like. And then it'll expose this here. So just keep this out of the way. Just gonna tuck that there, and then you come in here and you pop off this console, the side piece, and then you come in here, and then you have another one of your, just drop a bit. So then you're gonna have another one of these Torx bits right here. So you're gonna need to remove that, and then get that out of the way. And then down here, you're gonna have this clip. It's got like a Phillips in it that you gotta like push to get the, it's kind of annoying. You can, yeah, but you have to get that out of here. So then you got this off, and then that removed. Then you're gonna wanna fold up the seats, bring the seats forward, and then in the back you're gonna have another spot for the Torx that's gonna go there, the same one. And then on the driver's side, the same thing down here. You're gonna pop that off, and then take out this Torx. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So you got that off, and then slide in the seat forward, and then you're gonna remove. So to get it, after you have everything removed, there'll be a little clip there, and then you slide it up and out to get it out. That's how you remove it. Once you get the center console off, your airbag module is going to be right here, and you got these three bolts holding it on, and then you got your connectors down here. So you're going to have to get them bolts off and then remove the connectors down there. There's the wires down there. If you need, yeah, be careful when you're messing with airbags. Make sure the power is off and you let it drain out before trying to mess with the airbag module. You can set it off.